How to delete your Facebook account.
So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account. It's a simple process. The first thing is to just head over to your Facebook application, obviously, and make sure you are currently logged into your account. Now, all you have to do is click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner. If it's on your top right corner, you can select it. Once you're inside here, simply click on Settings and Privacy and head over to your settings. Once you're inside here, select See More in Account Center. From your Account Center, simply scroll down and under Account Settings. You need to tap on the Personal Details option. Once you tap on it, you should see the option that is Account Ownership and Control. Simply tap on this once again. From over here, select the second option, which is Deactivation or Deletion. Simply select it, and then choose the Facebook account you would like to delete. Select it just like this, and here again, select the second option, which is deleting your account permanently. Tap on this Continue button over here. Keep in mind that whenever you try to delete a Facebook account, if that account has been connected with different pages, those pages will also be deleted along with it. So just click on Continue from there. Then, give the reason why you want to delete the Facebook account. Simply tap on Continue after giving your reason, and click on Continue once again. From over here, scroll down and click on Continue once again, just like that. Finally, you need to enter your password and click on Continue once again. Your Facebook account will be successfully deleted permanently. So, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.